want to give you a little quick tip today. Working in here, trying to get the equipment back to being normal again. And I figured, I was wondering how many of you guys in the field have broken a pull string on your backpack blowers or your weed whackers, and totally messed up your day if you didn't know how to replace one of these in the field. You got to end up taking it back to the dealer and, you know, pay for that, waste time driving. If you kept a little bit of string on your truck, it's really not that hard to do, and I can show you how to do it quickly right here. If you're interested, let's check it out. Alright guys, so what we have here is a recoil from an Echo backpack blower. We have the hand grab, pull, and we have 48 inches worth of pull string. Now I've flamed both ends of them just so that they're not frayed. Just got a little bit of lighter, just heat them up and pull and make it so it's rigid on the end. And what we have inside here is the hole. Now you want to get that hole in line with the opening over here. And what that's going to do, you get that in through there. There's the string. And you can pull that up. Okay, now on this end, you want to have a knot on the end. And pull that through right through there so it's in there. You have it inside there, nice. Now, if you can see, there's a little notch where you can put your string. And then you counterclockwise about 1.5 turns all the way around. Okay? Once it gets a little tight, get it to there, take your string, put it through, all the way through, and then put a knot, not a knot, but a loop. There, okay, it locks it. Now, what we want to do is make sure it's facing in the right direction. Put the knot in, the rope in through the top. Put the rope in through here as well. And you see how far you have, while it still has tension on it. That's right about there. So you pull it back out, bring that down, put a knot in it here. Now you also want to make sure that you cut your rope, tuck the rope back in the stop here, put that back inside there, and that's it. Works perfect. Now you could take this this off and lift the spool out. What I've seen in the past through my years is that sometimes this will grab that spring and pull the spring out with it. So when you're just doing a one-time string repair, I leave it together. It's quicker, it's faster, there's less moving parts. But if you do have to take it apart and re-spool the spring, put a new spring in, you just dab a little bit of white lithium grease inside there. And but this one's fine, we're in good shape here. And that's that. So yeah, that's it. All back together again, working nice. We'll mount it back up on the blower and we're all set. How long does that take? It didn't take any time at all. So, thanks a lot. If you like it, let me know. Thank you. You're a little crooked there. Let me straighten you up a little bit. There you go.